Choosing the right solar system can be confusing. Should you go with an on-grid system, an off-grid system, or a hybrid solar system? Each one works differently, costs differently, and is suitable for different types of homes. And if you choose the wrong one, you could end up spending more money or not getting the performance you expect. In this video, I'll explain on-grid versus off-grid versus hybrid solar systems in a simple and practical way and help you decide which solar system is best for your needs. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Green World Renewable Energy YouTube channel. On this channel, we explain solar energy, solar design, and solar installation concepts in simple terms. If you're planning to install solar panels, this video will help you understand the three main types of solar systems used today. What is on-grid solar system? Let's start with the most common system, on-grid solar system. An on-grid system is connected to the utility grid. This means your solar system works together with your electricity provider. Here's how it works. During the day, solar panels generate electricity. Your home uses this solar power. Extra electricity is sent to the grid. At night, your home uses electricity from the grid. This process is often called net metering. Advantages of on-grid system: lower cost, no battery required, high efficiency, easy to maintain, faster return on investment. This is the most popular choice for residential solar systems. Disadvantages of on-grid system, but there is one important limitation. It does not work during a power outage. Even if your solar panels are generating electricity, the system shuts down for safety reasons. What is off-grid solar system? Now let's talk about off-grid solar system. An off-grid system is completely independent from the electricity grid. It includes solar panels, battery storage, inverter. Here's how it works. Solar panels generate electricity during the day. Energy is stored in batteries. You use stored energy at night. This system is commonly used in remote areas, farms, locations without grid access. Advantages of off-grid system: complete energy independence, works during power cuts, ideal for remote locations. Disadvantages of off-grid system: higher cost due to batteries, battery maintenance required, limited storage capacity. If not designed properly, you may run out of power. What is hybrid solar system? Now let's look at the most advanced option. Hybrid solar system. A hybrid system combines both grid connection, battery storage. Here's how it works. Solar panels power your home during the day. Extra electricity is stored in batteries. Additional power can be sent to the grid. At night, you can use battery power or electricity from the grid. Advantages of hybrid system: backup during power outages, better energy management, reduced electricity bills, flexibility. Disadvantages of hybrid system: higher cost than on-grid, more complex system. On-grid versus off-grid versus hybrid. Let's compare all three systems. On-grid, lowest cost, no backup, best for city homes. Off-grid, full independence, requires batteries, best for remote areas. Hybrid, backup plus grid connection, more flexible, higher cost. Decision guide. So which solar system is best? Choose on-grid if you have reliable electricity, you want lower cost, you want faster ROI. Choose off-grid if you don't have grid access, you want full independence. Choose hybrid if you want backup during power cuts, you want flexibility, you can invest more. So now you understand the difference between on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid solar systems and how each one works. Choosing the right solar system depends on your location, budget, and energy needs. At Green World Renewable Energy, we help homeowners and solar businesses with solar system design, solar permitting services, complete solar project support. So if you're planning a solar project or need professional guidance, feel free to connect with us. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about solar energy, solar design, and solar business, make sure to subscribe to the Green World Renewable Energy channel. We post practical and easy to understand content every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.